Although social recovery process are carried out for account creation, login as well as adding and removing guardians, one of its biggest use case is actually to recover your wallet account socially. If you lose your phone and you'd like to recover your wallet on a new device, you can apply the social recovery by verifying your identity through the guardians when logging in on the new device. Once your identity is verified, a new managing address will be created to your new device linking to your original Portkey wallet account, which means you have regained control of your account, in other words fulfilled the social recovery of the wallet. You then can secure your wallet by managing your login devices and remove your old phone to avoid the risk that other people can access your account using your old device. Go to My Wallet Security Login Devices. Click on the device you'd like to remove, and again, to be able to do so, you also need to get approval from the guardians. Prove you're not a robot and type in the verification code. Once it's confirmed, the targeted device will be removed immediately.